Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today I will show you again what is happening on the Bitcoin chart price right now. If you want to know what trades I will open, then watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. In this video, we're again talking about where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future. Today, I will show you a lot of interesting informations, metrics and setups for Bitcoin, which can work out in the near future. So we will also figure out what position should be opened. If you're subscribed to my channel and you want to get even more trades, don't forget to subscribe to my free Telegram group, and also don't forget to write in DM the word crypto to get free future signals every day, and you will find out all the necessary links in the description. So we are moving to the daily time frame. Here we have positive news. Here is the hundreds and 115th moving average. The positive news is that when the 100th moving average, it's marked in blue. When it starts to break through the 115th moving average, which is marked in white, so when they cross, the price of Bitcoin starts to grow. This has happened historically. You can see it, for example, here in October 2021. The price went up almost 40% from $40,000 to $70,000, a percentage increase of 63%, and something similar is happening right now. Of course, there may be a correction, but the indicator shows that we will see an increase of about 30%. Also, let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. This is not my profile topic, but let's take a look. We have a formation here, descending broadening wedge. The target of this formation can be marked as the upper and lower boundary of this descending broadening wedge. So the target may be around here. And traders, you understand that this is a very large increase. In general, we can see S&P 500 at $5,000, which is an increase of 43%. It's really huge considering all the technical components and data that the descending broadening wedge can break through to the top. So now we are testing this line from above. We need to watch very carefully how we test it, but this can turn into an increase of about 30% at S&P 500, which means that Bitcoin will also go up. It is also interesting that here we see a pattern called inverse head and shoulders. So that is, here we see the shoulders and head, and such figures break through after retesting the shoulder line. The shoulder line is approximately here, and accordingly such figures also make their way up. Now we have already failed this line of shoulders a little, but we still have the potential to test this trend line and move higher on the S&P 500, so we will see what happens next. Also traders, we are now moving to the 4-hour time frame. Here we have an expanding formation. See what it looks like, similar to ascending broadening wedges. Here we have an expanding formation. There are several waves, A, B, C, D, E, F. Waves are already formed. From point E, you can draw a line, and after it, you can expect upward growth. So let's look again. We first need to do the technique, puncture down, trade above the line, and go higher. So what is happening now? We are testing this line higher. We have almost broken it. It's possible that we could have a move like this, trading higher and exiting even higher by $30,000. Of course, you can wait for a correction. It's risky to open long positions now from the current values. Many indicators tell us that we need to go for a correction at least by $20,000, $21,000, and after that to continue our rapid growth. But technically, you can expect something like this to happen. From this line, we can drop $22,000, $21,000, trade above the line, and go up. It's clear, of course, that these figures are not always traded with such accuracy, and even more so, the figures were invented for the traditional market and not for the cryptocurrency one. Therefore, you need to be aware that sometimes there are some errors. I remind you that right now I am long in Bitcoin on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. My long position is still in huge profit. A little later today I will tell you where I will get my margin loan, where I will close it. So watch this video till the end. It will be very interesting. Also, a huge number of messages about where to trade Bitcoin, to always be in profit. It's simple. I choose BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like a wheel to win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, Messi's autograph t-shirt, and many other prizes, so get your bonuses. So we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. You ask where I would get my long position if Bitcoin goes on a correction. If we see a sufficiently large global correction, then I will add my long-term margin long position in the range of $20,900, $20,000, $19,900. I'm not talking about scalping short-term trades. No, I'm talking about long position. These are the goals I have for a global correction. If we still go into a global correction for this movement, here we have noted movements with a perspective of 2 to 3 months, not less. A month can be the minimum value from which you can open such positions. As you can see, I opened this position for approximately $17,000 and have been holding this position for 46 days. For more than a month, I have been in a long position. It's a huge profit, but I still plan to get long on Bitcoin at these values, and this will be a good opportunity to go long. The goals that we can see for these movements, so the first goal, $30,000, I has already explained the pros and cons many times, and the next target is $39,000. If for some reason you didn't see yesterday's video in which I told why the Binance exchange is interested in the next move up to $30,000 and even up to $40,000, why there is a huge amount of liquidity and who needs this liquidity right now, and why in the near future we can reach these goals, so be sure to watch this video. In addition to techniques, you also need to understand fundamental things and take into account various insider information and on-chain metrics too, so they can tell where Bitcoin will come. And if someone needs to make some kind of movement, then without technology we can go as it should, and the technique in turn will adjust. So traders, the immediate targets are $20,900, $19,800, or $900. This is where we can get in and then go out by $30,000. Therefore, if you are not in long position yet and want to open a long position, then this is the best solution from where you can open long-term long positions on Bitcoin. Please know that this is not financial recommendation, but if we see such targets, I will get my long position here. So friends, we're switching to the weekly schedule of BTC USD. Here we have a fallen wedge, we have made our way higher, and in general you see that nothing special happens. We have come to this resistance zone, now we deviate from it a little and may go to the support zone, and the nearest support zone is $21,600, $20,800, and on the weekly chart, if we consider the worst case scenario, we can test this fallen wedge and then we will make a overlay. Even in the case of overlay, nothing terrible will happen. Yes, we may have to trade for a very long time, but this is the worst scenario and it will be definitely not happen in the near future. So the immediate targets we can expect are of course the red zone at $29,900 and $31,500, and the market maker is now definitely looking at this zone. Of course, don't forget about the green trend line, which was formed on March 23, 2020. Here it's still crossed here on November 9, 2020. This is the huge trend line. It's very interesting for the market maker to test it, perhaps even in this year. And these are goals from $45,000. Therefore, traders, this year we will probably see these goals. If some radical things don't happen in the world, I don't think we will see targets above $40,000-$50,000 this year, but remember that we may be testing this line this year and this circle. Also traders, let's look at the weekly chart. This is a total excluding Bitcoin. This is a falling wedge, and usually such figures make their way up. So what happens when they make their way up? The same alt season will begin, and all the altcoins that you have in your portfolio and haven't yet grown will be able to grow. Perhaps we will still trade inside this falling wedge, but one way or another, fallen wedge make their way up. And by the way, the same thing happened on Bitcoin. We made our way higher, and here we can break this fallen wedge up, test the support level and move higher. And after that there will be a good alt season. First we will have to test the 874 billion zone, then we will probably go to 1 trillion, but these zones are still far away. But nevertheless, after breaking through this wedge, we will see a good alt season. So what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you liked this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.